Israeli media say the government has been told by legal officials that the International Criminal Court is considering issuing an arrest warrant for Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. The ICC investigation into Israel's actions in the occupied West Bank and Gaza could also see arrest warrants issued for other senior members of the government. This comes as protests continue in cities across Israel, with protesters demanding the government do more to secure the release of the hostages still being held by Hamas in Gaza. An official from Hamas said a delegation from the group would discuss an Israeli-tabled ceasefire proposal during a visit to Cairo on Monday. Efforts to revive stalled ceasefire talks have ramped up in recent days in a bid to stop a threatened Israeli ground offensive in Rafah, the southern city where more than half of Gaza's population has sought shelter.
A small strike is all it takes to force everyone to leave Palestine, and we will be witnessing the greatest catastrophe in the history of the Palestinian people. We ask Israel to stop its attack.
Meanwhile, Israel says aid deliveries to Gaza are being stepped up as countries including the United States and Jordan continue to airdrop supplies into the Strip.
Over the last few weeks, the amount of humanitarian aid going into Gaza has significantly increased. In the coming days, the amount of aid going into Gaza will continue to scale up even more.
But a spokesperson at the World Food Programme says that while increased levels of aid are a good sign, it's too early to say if the risk of famine has been averted.